Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a bit new, as I will be showing you a bit about my HairToxOffical business and how I make my own DIY smoothies at home, as well as formulas and treatments that you can purchase on my website if you'd like to know more about how to upkeep the health and maintenance of your hair care. So here I'm going to show you step by step of the individual routines and ingredients that I do when working on my clients as well as myself. But before I let you go entirely, you should know that since I was a young little girl, I used to make treatments with both my mom and my auntie at home, using natural ingredients and even formulating different treatments and conditioners to achieve the results that we want. And overall, I hope to open a unisex salon spa to treat all of my customers just as I would take care of myself and my family and friends. Hope you guys enjoy these videos, as I will be looking to doing more. So, since the process was a little too messy, we decided to move it to the bathroom, since it's looking like a horchata smoothie going into her hair. And before the process, she had some hairspray in it, and it was extremely tangled. And look at how shiny it is now. These white specks that you see here are just the coconut oil frozen, melting into her hair now as we speak. And we're gonna leave this on with the cloves, eggs, milk, honey, cinnamon, and whatever else I put in there that I don't remember right now, for 30 minutes into a plastic bag or a shower cap.
It makes it shiny, and it has so much volume, and they added curls that I don't even have, but it made it look so great. I love this so much.